How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. We're doing maintenance on the ATV, the Honda ATV, and what we're doing today is we're going to replace the battery. So there's my battery ready to go, and I bought this battery at Canadian Tire, and Canadian Tire, God love them. I mean, they try. But this was supposed to be the exact battery for the bike, and it's not, because the posts are on the wrong side. There you go. And since I'm an hour away from town, I'm not going to drive all the way back, you know, the hassle. So I'm going to put this in this way, see if we can make it work. Slide that right down in there. Try not to get too many wires in the wrong place. There. Okay. And then, one thing about the batteries, they come from Canadian Tire, and you know, you can buy a battery at Canadian Tire that's pre-charged. All you have to do is bring it home, put it in, away you go. And you can buy a battery that's not charged, has no electrolyte in it. So you add the electrolyte and then charge the battery, and away you go. Well, this was one of the ones where you had to add the electrolyte. It was $99 for this battery. You had to add the electrolyte and charge it before you could use it. The battery that was pre-charged, I think, was $119, so $20 more. But the funny thing is, Canadian Tire said that they'll add the electrolyte and charge this battery for me for no cost. All it did, it took me 2 hours, but I had chores to do in town anyway. So I bought the battery, and they took it away in their back shop, put the fluid in it, the electrolyte in it, and charged it. 2 hours later, it was ready. So let's get this together. There's the positive. I'm going to put that on first, I guess. So I get the bolt here, so that goes through the lug. There we go. So I may as well tighten that up while I'm here. Yeah. There we go. Because the negative one has a couple other wires that I have to hook to it. So we'll see if we can get all these working. I'm going to get a big Phillips screwdriver here, it might help. No, sir. So what I'm doing is, because the bolt is not long enough to go through the battery terminal lug and the other terminals that I have to put on it, I've got a little piece of corrugated cardboard here that I'm going to slip in the hole and then set the nut on top. So see if that'll help any. So I'm going to put my cardboard in there first. Just like that. And then, oops, if I can, slide the nut in there. Of course, you need about 6 hands, and they have to be a lot smaller than mine. There we go. Okay. Make sure that's lined up halfway close. Alright, so now we'll try this again. Through that, and through that, and down into there. I think we got her that time, folks. Take my little piece of cardboard out. Make sure this is tight. Put my cap over this. Like that. Okay, we'll see if we can start it now. Key on. We got power, there's some lights. Give her a little choke because we have no air cleaner on it right now. See what happens. Perfect. Okay, that battery starts. Okay, so this bracket that holds the seat, it just goes right across there. So this is metal, so it's important that we have that red rubber cap on the positive post of it, because you don't want anything shorting out your battery. And then these held in place with two 10mm bolts. Then we just snug those down. Alright, so batteries are pretty important for your bike. Make sure that you keep your battery clean and well charged, and it'll last you a good long time. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked this little video. Don't forget, click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Grampie's Workshop.